Hi everyone, let's make mojito, and today we're using mangoes to make this delicious, refreshing mojito. First thing you need is your mangoes, obviously. I'll advise you choose the ones that are overly ripe. Yeah, something like this will be perfect for this mojito. Now all I did was wash my mango and then I cut open. After cutting, I'm going to remove the pulp from this. You do not want the skin, okay? You just want the pulp. Now you can use a spoon, you can use a knife, whatever this thing you decide to use. Just get the pulp from the skin. Like I said, you don't need the skin, you want only the pulp, because we won't be straining this particular drink, okay? So I'm going to get the pulp from the other side of the mango, and also the from all the mangoes. I'll be using one mango for this particular recipe, but depending on the quantity you're making, you can decide to use more mangoes or less. Like I said, depending on the quantity you're making. I'm about to make about 4 to 5 cups. That's gonna feed adults. So yeah, I'm using one whole mango, and from the look you know the mango is big. Now moving forward, I'm going to cut. Ideally you should use lime since you're making a mojito, but I did not have lime at that moment. I only have lemons, so I decided to use the lemons I have. And you're just going to cut them into cubes like that, so that when modeling you can actually model out the juice and everything easily. So for this I'll be using 2 lemons. If you're using lime, you can go as far as using up to 6-8 lemons, like I said, depending on the quantity you're making, right? So now after cutting your lemons, the next thing you need to do is pour that pulp into your glass pitcher or whatever you're making the drink with those lemons. Now after adding the lemons, you're going to go in with some mint leaves. I'm using tiger mint leaves here, not the regular one you normally see. This is slightly stronger than the normal one, and I love it when I'm making mojito. Next I added my sugar, granulated sugar. You can also use honey, or you can leave it like that if the mango is too sweet. But because we will be using some ice, lots of ice, we need to balance everything. We don't want this drink to be overly sweet. At the same time, we didn't want it to be bland, no sweetness at all. So using this muddle, I'm going to muddle everything in this jar. The lemon should release the juice and the oils from it. I'm gonna muddle the mangoes till it is something like this. As you can see, it is beautiful at this junction. So this is what you should be looking for. Take your time to muddle this. Next, you're going to add a lot of ice. Yes, whenever you're working with sugar, especially in drinks, you want to put a lot of ice to balance the sweetness. Like I said, you wouldn't want your drink to be overly sweet. Now after adding the ice, added more mint leaves, and then I'm going to top everything with Sprite. You can use any clear soda of choice, but I'm using Sprite today in this video. Now after adding my Sprite, the only thing left is for you to mix everything together until well combined. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and your mojito is ready to serve. You don't need to wait for anything. You don't need to put it in the refrigerator to freeze, to chill a bit, It is done at this junction. And yeah, this is one of the perfect recipes you can make, especially since mangoes are in season now. Will you be trying this video, or let me say this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Trust me, it takes 0 to make this, little effort, and trust me, whoever you're making this for is gonna appreciate that. I poured mine into this cup and garnish at dessert, and this is how it looks. Bye.